So when I met my wife, I tricked her into me being a cool guy and romantic and all that. She didn't even know I was famous in my country, I don't know. She didn't know that. So when she got to know it, she realized it was a problem. If you go to a concert and you have a wife and she sees that every girl is looking for you, it can make you very insecure. So we started having weird relationships, like in a way that she was supposed to be doing something, then I'm happy. If she doesn't do it, I'm not happy. We had so many fights, unnecessary fights. In the middle of everything, I was getting lost. I was lost. Somehow. So I was having an issue with my girlfriend at the time. I was confused. I didn't know where I was going with life. I didn't know where I was going with life. So things started getting really, really bad. Some of the things she didn't even know. Because of being famous, I learned a way to keep everything for, on me and for myself. Nobody knew anything about me. A lot of famous people, that's what they struggle with. And I heard this while I was still young. That this me and for myself, nobody knew.